Hey traders, it's Roberto, and this is another video on news event trading. And today I'm going to show you how to trade and take advantage of all what I call basket trading of all the currencies associated with that news event. Today's a news event. The BOC rate statement was unchanged, 1.75, and the market reacted to that release. So I'm just going to show you what I do prior to a news event. And so let me get started. Let me make this bigger so you can see. All right, let me just do this. Basket trading, okay? Canadian rate. So we're looking at all the Canadian pairs, okay? And again, CAD Swiss, CAD Yen, USDCAD, GBP CAD, EURCAD, and Aussie CAD. So what I do is prior to the news event is I scroll down to a 15-minute chart and count the number of candles. So I need 12 candles. Swing high and swing low. I highlight that area and I place pending orders 5 pips above or 5 pips below. And then when the news announcement comes out, either it's going to go in one direction or the other. And in this case, it sold off, and notice that we made pips, substantial amount of pips on all of these. And it came out to about 334 pips total in less than 1 hour. Okay, so this was USDCAD. I placed a trade 5 pips below the swing low, and the market took that trade, put a sell stop, and went down at least. Still going down. I actually got out around here. I'd be up about 20 pips more. I don't care because I've got so many currencies that I'm trading, and I just didn't want to stay in a trade too long. So let's look at each trade. EURCAD, same thing. Now this one had a huge swing high and swing low. So I did not like that, but this is the price of trading. So I count the 12 candles on a 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here's my swing low. Here's my swing high. I highlight that area. I place a buy stop above the swing high and a sell stop below the swing low. And in this trade, over, I think about 40 pips, 76 pips, 79 pips on this one, on EURCAD. That was the biggest winner, I think. Aussie CAD, same thing. Again, I don't like when the swing high and swing low before the news event is substantial. I mean, this one was at least 20 pips. But that's my strategy. Count the 12 candles on a 15-minute chart. Put a horizontal line on top and bottom. Place a trade 5 pips below the swing low or 5 pips above the swing high. And there's the trade to the downside. And this one gave us at least 40 pips to the downside. The last one, a couple more. New Zealand CAD, CAD Yen, that was a big winner. Okay, I like this one because the consolidation was minimal. It's only about 20 pips. And again, count 12 candles, swing high, swing low. Put a horizontal line on top and bottom of that consolidation. Place your trade 5 pips, a pending order, a buy stop, and a sell stop above and below. And there's your trade. This one gave us about 48 pips. And the last one, New Zealand CAD. This one I almost did not take because the swing high and swing low, there's such a gap on this one. It's like 35 pips. But I did take it. I did place a trade below the support level and took about 25 pips off of this one. And the other one was CAD Swiss. This one was good because obviously the consolidation was rather tight. It's only about 20 pips. Anything above 20 pips I don't like, because 20 pips is a nice, usually what markets do to consolidate before a news event. Either it's non-farm payroll, retail, anything that's high impact. Okay, so took the trade 5 pips above the swing high and rode this all the way up to here. And I think that was it. Did I do CAD? Yeah, I did CAD yen. So that's it on trading basket, what I call a basket of currencies on news events. Instead of just trading one currency pair for a news event, trade them all. So you can take advantage of all these trades and make 3 times more money than if you just traded one currency pair. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend and catch you on the next video. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you are interested in learning how to trade this strategy, it is simple, but you'd be surprised how many people really mess this up. Sign up for our Pro Traders Workshop. We meet every time there's a news event on GoToMeeting. You can see my screen and I'll call out the trades. We'll place trades prior to a news event and make some money. Have a good weekend, guys. Talk to you soon.